Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Citi online statements with secure download, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Citi online statements, start by logging into your Citi account through the official website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Select the account for which you want to download statements. Next, look for an option labeled Statements or Monthly Statements. Click on the Statements option to access your available statements. You will now see a list of your past statements organized by date. Choose the specific statement you wish to download. Click on the statement link to open it. Once the statement is open, look for a download icon or a link that says Download. Click on the Download option to initiate the process. A prompt may ask where you would like to save the file. Select a secure location on your computer, such as a dedicated folder for financial documents. Ensure that the file format is appropriate, typically PDF for statements. After downloading, check the designated folder to confirm the file has been saved. Consider encrypting this folder or the file for additional security. Follow this process for any other statements you wish to back up. Always remember to log out of your account once you're finished. This ensures your account remains secure after you've downloaded your statements. By following these steps, you can effectively back up your Citi online statements with a secure download. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.